Imagine the aroma of freshly baked banana bread wafting through your home. Today, we're sharing a simple yet irresistible banana bread recipe that's sure to become a family favorite. This recipe creates a moist, flavorful loaf packed with banana goodness. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. The best part? You probably already have all the ingredients in your kitchen. Let's start with what you'll need. Gather 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 2 large eggs, and 2 1/3 cups of mashed overripe bananas. The key to intense banana flavor is using very ripe bananas with plenty of brown spots. Now, let's make our banana bread. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, beat the brown sugar and butter until smooth, then stir in the beaten eggs and mashed bananas. Gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, being careful not to overmix. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and bake for about 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. The secret to keeping your banana bread moist lies in the ingredients. The butter, eggs, and brown sugar all contribute to its tender texture. Additionally, the mashed bananas themselves provide plenty of moisture. To store your banana bread, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap, or place it in an airtight container with a paper towel on the bottom and top. It will stay fresh at room temperature for about 4 days. If you want to keep it longer, you can freeze it for up to 4 months. Simply wrap the cooled loaf in plastic wrap and then aluminum foil before freezing. When you're ready to enjoy your banana bread, try toasting a slice for a warm, comforting treat. The crispy edges and soft center make for a delightful contrast. Whether you eat it plain, spread with butter, or topped with your favorite nut butter, this banana bread is sure to satisfy your cravings. With its simple ingredients and easy preparation, this banana bread recipe is perfect for bakers of all skill levels. Give it a try, and you might just find your new go-to banana bread recipe.